In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva for beginners. Canva is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to design a wide array of graphics, whether you're working on presentations, websites, or even custom t-shirt designs. It's user-friendly and offers a vast library of templates to help you achieve the results you want with ease. To get started, when you open Canva, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the homepage. This is your go-to tool for exploring everything Canva has to offer. For instance, if you need to create a resume, simply type resume into the search bar and press enter. You'll be pleasantly surprised by the number of specialized templates that pop up. Once you've found a resume design that catches your eye, click on it. This will take you to a page where you can select from a range of templates. Look through them until you find the perfect match for your style. When you've made your selection, click on Customize this template, which allows you to begin tailoring the design to match your personal branding and professional background. Next, you'll land in the Canva editor. Here, you have the opportunity to really make the template your own. Want to add additional elements to your design? Click on Elements from the left sidebar. You'll find a variety of options such as shapes, lines, and icons, which you can drag onto your resume to enhance its visual appeal. Maybe you'd like to include more information than what's on the original layout. To do this, simply click on the text option also in the left sidebar. This will allow you to insert another text box, ensuring you can add all the details you need without cluttering your design. Perhaps you need to customize the imagery used in the template. Go ahead and click on Uploads from the same sidebar to add your own pictures. You can easily upload images from your device to Canva and use them in your design. Then all you need to do is drag and drop your new image over the existing one on your template. This immediate switch is simple and helps maintain the overall look desired. Throughout this process, don't hesitate to experiment with different colors and fonts. Canva's intuitive interface lets you make these alterations easily, offering countless options to perfect your design. By the end of these steps, you will have a customized resume that stands out and perfectly reflects your professional persona. That's all for our beginner's guide to using Canva. With these tips in hand, you can start creating beautiful designs with confidence and creativity. Thanks for watching and happy designing with Canva.